Dear children, this is the next category of operators, and this is the fourth module we are going to discuss in this session. That is bitwise operator. What are the bitwise operator? It will check bitwise. That is, if you are giving a alphabet like A is converted into ASCII code. ASCII code is again converted into binary number, isn't it? So binary numbers are checked here. Bitwise checking happens. Python provides another category of operator, similar to logical operator, except it works on binary representation of actual data, not its decimal value. The bitwise AND, that is, it compares two bits and generates 1 as the result if both are 1. If both the bits are 1, it generates 1. Otherwise, it will generate 0. But in OR operator, bitwise OR operator, it compares two bits and generates 1 if any of the bit become 1. Very similar to logical operator only. Then the complement XOR operator, it compares two bits and generates the result of 1 if either bit is 1. That is odd number of 1. It becomes 1 as the result. Otherwise, if both operand are 1 or 0, it will result false. Then the bitwise complement operator, it is used to invert all the bits of the operand. That is, if you are giving 1 0 1, it will reverse as 0 1 0. So that is why the complement operator, tilde operator, is used for complementing the value. Binary representation. Here A and B is given. A is 12, B is 12. Binary A become 1010, binary B become 1100. So here what is checking? That is the binary digits only checked here. That is A and B. It will return 8. Why? Because of the binary conversion. That is, the first it will check 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So the resultant will be 1 000. That is why we are getting the resultant as 8. And we are getting binary of that resultant, that is 1 000. That is the binary equivalent of 8. That is why we are getting 8 as the resultant. All these are examples. Then my dear children, look at this. This is the operator precedence. Operator precedence. Precedence is nothing but the priority. While we are combining one or more operators in an expression, then the priority is more important for the execution. How the interpreter will take the operator, which operator get higher priority and which one having lower priority. My dear children, look at the order in which I had given the top to bottom. The operators which are given in the topmost having the higher priority, and the operator which I had given in the bottom having the lower priority. Up to down, the priority also lowers. That is, parenthesis having the most priority, exponent, tilde x, that is bitwise complement, then plus, minus, positive, negative, then arithmetic operators like into, divide, floor divide and percentage, plus, equal. Look at the, please study about the order in which I had given. Okay, do not change the order. The top or the highest priority is for the topmost operator. The lowest priority is for logical operator like and or. So my dear children, please study the order of the precedence. Otherwise you will make mistakes while you are calculating the or while you are evaluating the expressions. Look at the arrow symbol, highest to lowest. The topmost operator having the higher priority and bottommost operator will get the lowest priority. Look at the example which I had given, associativity of operators. It is the order in which the expression having multiple operator of same precedence is evaluated. Almost all operators have left to right associativity except exponential order operator which has right to left associativity. For example, if in an expression contains multiplication, division and modulus, then they will evaluate from left to right. Take a look on an example. 8 into 9 divided by 11, floor division 12. So look at the brackets, how the interpreter it is having 8 into 10 within an inner bracket, then that divided by 11, then floor division 2. So 8 becomes outer. So all these are different kind of expressions which is given with the brackets. So each evaluates in different manner. The first expression will produce 3.0. The second expression also produces 3.0. Whereas in the fourth one, 0.0. My dear children, the values of 8 into 9 divided by 11, floor division 2. So look at the priority of all that operators which we had studied. Then apply according to the priority, you will get the correct answer. And the fourth one you will get 64.0. My dear children, all the expression produces is different type of values. That is, the priority and the single parenthesis makes the expression output in a different manner. That is, the order, the associativity plays an important role in execution of an expression with a different kind of operators. Could you please guess what are the output of all these example expressions which I had given? 3 exponent 4 exponent 2. So how the evaluation happens? An expression having multiple asterisk operator is evaluated from right to left. That is, 3 into 4 into 2 will be evaluated as 3 into 4 into 2, not 3 into 4 into 2. So my dear children, if any expression having multiple exponent operator, then only the associativity changes right to left. All others from left to right. Please do the expression evaluation for your reference. I will give the in-depth or smaller examples in online session. Coming to the next topic, expressions. We have already discussed an expression, that is combination of operators, literals and variables, that is operand. Expression is nothing but the combination of literals and variables and operators. So we are having the operators like arithmetic operations, expressions, string expressions, relational expressions, logical expressions, compound expressions, etc. In depth we will discuss in the next module only. Thank you.